Build a base colour first if you want to. I'm going to try and paint a part of these roses. So looking at that, and imagine this grid is like the naked windows of glass there, and you're outside and you're looking through this, and you can see those shapes of trees and those perspectives, the bushes, but then you're going to start having great fun with it as it drips through the other side, and we'll have our physical object paint too fun going on. This is a little adventure down by Gwynedd Lake. The group are trying to paint in and around the angles and the corners, almost like a furnished or sculptural object. We're trying to focus on maybe not necessarily a whole view, but a tiny section of lily flower, a reflection. So it's really lovely going around together as a group and
see what different things people choose.
And it's absolutely lovely, isn't it?